Okay, sticky one. Is it faster to process your green card via adjustment of status or consular at the embassy?
So, there's no answer to that one. For example, you may do adjustment of status. It takes 3 months to get approved one day, and then it takes 2 years another day. Or you're doing embassy processing, and you might be in India or Pakistan where it takes 2 years to get an interview. Or you might be in Germany where it'll take like 3-4 months to get an interview. So it depends on if you're doing consular processing, which embassy you're dealing with. But if you're in the U.S., it depends on which field office, which officer gets it. Having said that, an embassy like Germany may get the interview faster, but you still need to get an I-130 approved first, and I-130s are taking much longer. So the consular process portion may be fast, but the initial petition may take longer. Whereas if you did the initial petition in the U.S. with adjustment of status, it might get done the same amount of time. So it's kind of, there's no real answer to this one. It's just, you got to do whatever the law allows you to do and whatever works in your personal life. A lot of times people want to game the system, go faster than that. A lot of times you can't do that. You just got to see which benefits your career and your life. And to file for adjustment of status, you have to have lawful admission without the immigrant intent. If that could be a problem too. So there's a lot of different factors to look at when you make this decision, other than which is fastest. Although I know if you want to get the green card, get done with this faster, it's not the best way to look at it, just from experience. There's a lot of
Yeah.
other factors.
Thank you, John. Yeah, I just want to add to that. You always have to think what category I applying under. For example, if we're talking about DV lottery, for DV lottery, preferable way. Again, if you are in the United States and lawful status, you are maintaining your status. It's always file for adjustment of status rather than processing through the embassy, because again, as we see, some people they just never get called for an interview under this category.
Mm-hmm.
So, and again, when we're talking about adjustment of status, don't forget that you'll not have work permit unless you file for expedite right away. You'll not be able to travel for some time until your green card application gets approved. So there are both pros and cons in both of these options, and you just have to figure out what's more important for you in your particular situation. But they both workable.
Definitely. Thank you, Anya.
Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.